Hi folks, thanks for joining us for an introduction to Equiitext Cloud SMS texting. We are at www.cloud.equitext.com. First, we need to find our login credentials in the email that you would have received. Welcome to Equiitext. If you do not see an email from us, please check your spam folder. And if you have not signed up for an account yet, you can click on the link here for sign up, fill in the fields here, sign up, and you will receive an activation link in your email. Your email address is used as your username. It's best to go ahead and copy paste your temporary password in to make sure you're not missing any digits, and it's a good time to bookmark your page at this time. We're going to go ahead and click login, and we come to our user interface. We're going to send messages, and we see we have a link to get our first virtual phone number. This is how we send our text messages out. Clicking there, and our country is the United States. We have a couple options here. We can purchase a local virtual number at 100 credits per number per month. We can also purchase toll-free numbers at 500 credits per number per month. Those also have a higher credit per message sent as well. So we're just going to talk about the local virtual numbers, and we have some options here. Randomized area codes. That's just what it says. Random area codes for a variety of different numbers. We have automated area code matching, and you will need to import your data prior to purchasing your virtual numbers so that the system can match those area codes to your data. We also have manual area codes. That's what I'm going to choose right now. 213 is the number I'm going to choose. I have the option I can purchase one number, or I can use a bulk purchase, and I can purchase up to 100 or even more numbers if I so desire. We have a forward calls too. This is a default forward voice number. You can use your number, your cell phone number, landline number. Also Skype virtual numbers work, as well as Google Voice. I'm going to go ahead and submit my purchase here. And I see that I have a variety of numbers that I can choose from. I'm going to go with the first one. And it asks me if I'm sure I want this number. Yes, I am. And it's processing. And my selection is successful. Click OK. Close here. And I'm here at my profile page, and I can check to make sure that everything is correct here. If I make any changes I want to update, I want to go to my account information. This is my email address, my username if I want to set up a webhook or use an API integration. I can change my password here, and I'm looking to see that my time zone is correct. And everything looks good to me. I can update if I've made any changes, and I can go to manage numbers and see that this is the virtual number that I did purchase. We can purchase additional virtual numbers here. Let's go to advanced settings, and we see a couple options for our inbox. Don't show outgoing messages to inbox. This is only for campaign and send API messages. Once you're sending a large amount of contacts out, say 5,000, 10,000, that inbox does get quite cluttered, so we would rather just save that for the incoming messages rather than the outgoing. If you're wanting to test your messages with a single number sending, that will show up in the inbox, no problem. We automatically delete inbox message threads for opt-outs. If they're not interested in the products you're offering them, or if they just don't want to receive messages from you, then we don't really want to see those messages in the inbox. So we go ahead and make sure that those are checked. We have our sleep timer. This is to keep us compliant. If we're running a campaign and we are going into the evening hours, we can have this set to sleep at 9 p.m. And of course, I checked my time zone and it was set to Eastern. So this is going to stop at 9 p.m. Eastern, and it will resume at 8 a.m. Eastern the next business day. And of course, we want to make sure that we save any changes that we make. That's it for right now. Our next video will cover contacts and importing your data list. Also, if you're needing any help or assistance, you can click on our help button here. We do have live chat from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's Pacific Daylight Time. And if we're not available, go ahead, fill the fields, and we will get back to you the next business day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.